because the insert is welded into the plastic. There is several ways that you can approach this removal. One way is, welcome to our channel, EM Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, now you're gonna do the kit for your door panels if you decide to do that in your Tundra. So this is what we have to do. We're gonna pull this up. It has a few clips here and here. That's all we have to do. And then we're gonna pry this clip over here. And we're gonna get the plug off. Now we have under here, we're gonna remove this, and it's gonna be a Phillips right there, and number 2. And then we wanna go here and pry this from the top, pull it slightly out so it can come out. And there is another Phillips number 2. And now we're gonna get this clip off with our clip puller, just like that. And we're gonna take tweeter to get them off. And the little clip, we are gonna reposition it right here. Okay, now guys, there is gonna be 2 cables right there. So the way that we're gonna try this panel out and release the 2 cables. I couldn't get the camera, but basically guys, the green goes below, the white goes on top, it locks here and here, and then it goes into this hole. That's all it is, and that's how you get these panels off the Tundra. Okay guys, now we're gonna remove the insert from the panel, and the way we're gonna do that is first to get this insulation off. And we're gonna save it, we're gonna put it back at the end. Now guys, the weathered strip, it has a little tabs underneath. These are the little tabs. Now we're gonna have only one, and this is a T20, because the insert is welded into the plastic. There is several ways that you can approach this removal. One way is with a knife. I have this leather knife, but you can use any other tool to do that. So let me show you how this works. It basically beheads the weldings. So leather knives are extremely sharp, so you gotta be very careful to never put nothing in front of it, no body part, because this is what happened. So it's gonna be some, like I have 3 that are not really accessible. This is a tool that we modify so we can do this, but you can use any kind of drill bit. And what it does, it eats the welding. So now that it's there, and that's the insert, guys. It's already out. So let me put the panel aside so you can see the insert. So this is your insert, and this is the part that you're not gonna be replacing. So we're gonna get these staples off. This insert has about 1/4 foam backing. The new kit has the same material, so it's gonna be just an easy removal and replacement. So you just clean it up. So peel this off. Try to get it with the foam in it so you don't have to clean too much. And this one, guys, we just gonna send down or use any of the tools we have to remove the excess of the foam so we can lay down the new piece. So I'm gonna be talking about that in the next video. That's the same process we're gonna do for the door panels in the front and in the back. That's your insert out. Okay, guys, how you gonna get that little trim piece off the dashboard? It's very simple. You just have to pry underneath, not here, but underneath the plastic. I already have this one out, so it's really just pry it. I'm gonna show you what is underneath. When you pull it out, it's just this clip, so it's not much to it. It's all it is, and that's how you take out that panel. So we can do the wrapping from the kit for those door panels and the dash piece right there. So I'll continue in the next video so you can see how it's wrapped. Okay, guys, you have your dash piece out. We need to remove the little plastic trim right there. And it's held by 4 number 2 Phillips screws, and it's already out. But also we need to take the chrome piece for the vent so we can grab the vinyl around. And this one has 3 little number 2 screws, and that's the piece. Now we're gonna get the staples off. Why the staples are in these pieces is because with the heat and cold, when it's vinyl tends to move, and there is areas that are prone to have delamination. When you hold it with staples, it will prevent that delamination from happening. So now we're gonna peel one side, and this one, guys, has a fabric foam backing, which is good because it means the foam is not gonna be left in the piece. It's gonna be a clean removal. So I'm aiding with the pliers to peel it off the back. There you go, the guy. And this top part didn't clean up the fabric, so we are gonna take it off like this. There you have it. It's clean now, ready to put the new piece on it.